What's up, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to disassemble a zippo. It's gonna be a full disassemble. So first you open it, you take the system out, you put the case away, then you need to take a screwdriver or whatever helps. So I'm gonna take this. Okay. And you can start rotating with your fingers. It's a little bit more. I think, yeah, okay. So now I'm gonna put the mechanism. Now I'm gonna take the flint out. I don't know if the flint is over. Oh, it's over here. It's not the flint. I always have problem taking out the flint. The old zippos. Yeah, it's over there. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this piece of cotton out, and with my pliers I'm gonna take the cotton. Now I take a little bit with the pliers and I start taking it out with my hands until I take it all. Now I can take out the wick. Take the pliers. Okay, now you see it, not cotton in it, and okay, YouTube, thank you, please. That was it. So please subscribe, give a like, and see you in the next video.